We'll hear an appeal by a group of killers. Now, the case deals with the death penalty, specifically a drug that's used during lethal injections. Now, News Channel 3's Tracy Laird joins us live from Santa Barbara. And Tracy, they're claiming those drugs don't always work the way they should.
They sure are, CJ. A drug in question was used during a botched execution in Oklahoma 9 months ago, and the High Court will take up the issue that was filed on behalf of convicted killers in Oklahoma. The Supreme Court agreed to decide whether the sedative midazolam, used with two other drugs in Oklahoma's lethal injections, constitutes a violation of the Eighth Amendment's protection against cruel and unusual punishment.
The first shot puts him to sleep and then the other two put him out. I think that would be a pretty humane way to go. Now, I'm not sure how that will impact California in terms of the decision that the court is going to make, but you know, if the court decides or determines that it is a fair way to execute someone, then I think California needs to be paying attention to that.
Many states have a stake in the decision. In July, a federal judge ruled that California's death penalty process is unconstitutional due to delays.
I think they should stop the 20 or 30-year wait, for one thing, and I do support capital punishment as non-painful as possible.
A local Holocaust survivor disagrees.
I don't like any killing whatsoever.
And why?
Because it's cruel and anti-human. Especially I come from a camp. And Auschwitz you still got my number here. And they did a mass killing, you know, for my parents and everything. That's why I don't like killing.
It's controversial in other countries, too.
Well, in Norway, you can only get 21 years in prison. And I think that's too low. So I think it's good the way it is here in the U.S. And I'm for the death penalty.
Oklahoma executions could take place before the Supreme Court's decision due in June. Now, attorneys for the inmates that filed this appeal are hoping they won't be executed before a decision is made, and they'll be filing a stay of execution. In Santa Barbara, Tracy Laird, News Channel 3.
Right, thank you, Tracy. And an update now on the measles outbreak.